Okay, today we're going to demonstrate for you a Heald 273A internal grinder. This machine is currently wired for 440, 480 volts. This is a dedicated ID grinder. We have the spindle mounted here, the work head mounted here. You've got a movable slide here, which is actually got a readout on it, a digital readout on this axis here, the work head axis. And this is your in-feed. As we go back and forth, if we start the feed, you see that each reversal of the table allows it to increment. You adjust the amount of the increment with this lever here. You can make it less or more. You have a dead stop up here. If you only wanted to feed on the outside stroke rather than both the outside and the inside, you can close this knob down all the way and it'll give you that option. Basically, your controls, you've got a variable speed drive for the work head, which in this case is like a 10-inch diameter magnetic chuck. And you have a combination. When the wheel head starts, the coolant comes on at the same time. So you have that in conjunction, with the work head. Now the work head is also automatic. When I want to bring this back to its home position, the work head will come to a stop and machine will park itself. So the operator now can change his workpiece, make some measurements to change the wheel, dress the wheel. Here's your dresser here. This is the Heald dresser. You pull it down, and when this is set up right, that will be used to dress the wheel. Also here is a facing attachment which comes in pretty handy. You can rotate this to have different depths that you go into on your grind if you have multiple grinds to do, and it's adjustable in and out, and it comes up against the dead stop there. So also with these Healds, they are unique in that they are on a floating hydrostatic way. You see I'm just leaning on this and I can make this move now. This is very nice. Of course, we've got the machine leveled on our floor, and we have all the proper oils in it. We've gone through it, we've changed the filter, and so that's why you can do what we're doing here. So I'll put this back into automatic, and here's how you control your speed. You can go faster or slower. I like to keep it at a relatively slow speed. Now the spindle on here is a mist lubricated type spindle. This is the lubricating system here, so the machine doesn't need air. So I'm going to go ahead and start that up for you. Now bear in mind it's going to sound noisy, especially with the microphone right on my chest, and these generally make quite a bit of racket. Because of the RPM that they're going, and because it's got a big heavy-duty 2-inch wide flat belt. So that's the Heald 273A, a really nice grinder. Thank you very much.